Hello, my name is Ingo Frohböse, and in this video we are looking at the initialization of the refrigerant mass in an example. So we are using this simple AC cycle from TIL and extend from this model. In this model, we are going into the text mode and adding an additional parameter. This parameter needs to be fixed equal false and has a start value of 1. There's no equation or defined value for the initial mass calibration factor. Then we need an initial equation. In this initial equation, we define the refrigerant mass at time 0. I set the mass to 380 grams in this example. Now we can add this initial calibration factor into relevant components in the diagram level. Go to the graphical view, go into the condenser, initialization, copy default, and add the factor. The same for the evaporator. Also, a separator needs to be adapted. The filling level needs to be divided by this factor. So this is important. Now we can perform a simulation. In the result, we can see that the refrigerant mass is 380 grams at time 0 and just has little changes due to the pressure state elements. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to contact us.